Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Exxon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 2, 2024, our system has identified Exxon as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 2.27. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this specific period. We'll continue closely monitoring this evaluation to observe its progress in the upcoming days. This stock is currently in a falling trend in the short term, which presents a potentially profitable selling opportunity for short-term traders. We can expect the stock to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $103.91, it may indicate a slower falling rate or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 10.29% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return falls within the range of minus 16.26% to minus 8.94%. The 12-month trend suggests a minus 5.79% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return ranging from minus 13.42% to 8.86%. This means that after a year, the stock price could be anywhere between $88.62 and $111.43. Our latest update on Exxon brings positive news. The technical forecast for Exxon stock price has strengthened after Tuesday's trading. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the Exxon stock price increased by 2.38%, going from $99.98 to $102.36. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.22%, reaching a low of $100.86 and a high of $103.10. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has seen a 1.45% increase over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has increased along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. A total of 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 20 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.09 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $126.54, while the lowest price was $97.49. Currently, the price is 19.11%, or $24.18, below the 52-week high of $126.54, which stands as the all-time high for the stock. Today, we'll be discussing some recent analyst ratings for ExxonMobil Corporation, XOM. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler upgraded their rating for ExxonMobil to overweight with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade with a hold action. Just a few days earlier, on Friday, October 27, 2023, CFRA upgraded their rating for ExxonMobil to buy with an upgrade action. Similarly, Bernstein also gave ExxonMobil an outperform grade on the same day, with an initialize action. Lastly, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Wells Fargo upgraded their rating for ExxonMobil to overweight with a hold action. Analysts have given a general strong buy rating to Exxon stock. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Exxon stock today. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Exxon. Both short-term and long-term moving averages suggest a buy signal, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal when considering the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. In case of corrections down, there is support from the lines at $101.42 and $102.07. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Tuesday, December 12, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 4.4%. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The rising volume along with the price is considered a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. We also have the Pivots Indicator, which gave a buy signal 14 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are also indicating a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also giving a buy signal 2 days ago. When we analyze the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 60 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages confirms a buy signal 42 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more valuable signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Exxon currently has a support level at $101.58, which means that the stock price tends to bounce back when it reaches this level. This could be a good opportunity to consider buying Exxon stock, as we can expect it to react positively to this support level. When it comes to risk, Exxon is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity. This means that the risk associated with investing in this stock is considered very low. So, if you're looking for a safe investment option, Exxon might be a good choice. In terms of volatility, Exxon has shown a daily average volatility of 1.35% over the past week. This means that the stock price has been relatively stable, with minimal fluctuations on a daily basis. Yesterday, for instance, the stock moved $2.24 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 2.22% change. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Exxon, let's take a moment to understand some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $2.21. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's now explore potential day trading levels for Exxon. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Exxon is at $102.99. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you already have some shares, this level could be considered for swing trading. On the other hand, if Exxon experiences a downside movement, it encounters its first support level at $101.58. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as a rebound may be anticipated. According to multiple analyst sources, Exxon has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 18, 2023, Williams Jack P. Jr. sold 5,000 shares of common stock as an insider. On December 18, 2023, Leonard M. Fox also conducted an insider sell, disposing of 12,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on December 18, 2023, Neil A. Chapman sold 993 shares of common stock as an insider. However, Neil A. Chapman also made insider purchases on the same day, acquiring 331 shares of common stock twice. Taking into account the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 2.663. Overall, insiders have bought 3,060,771 shares and sold 2,322,618 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $97.03, which represents a 5.2% decrease in value. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, minimizing the associated risks. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 13 days ago. Is Exxon stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive signals in the short term. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For the trading day on Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate Exxon to open down by $0.253 and start trading at $102.11. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your target for this stock? We're eager to hear from you. And if you find this content valuable, remember to like and subscribe for more insightful updates. We hope you have a successful trading day ahead and wish you a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.